Don't buy a west-facing home until you watch this. Dear friends, is a west-facing home right for you? Before choosing your next home, there's one simple factor worth understanding: how the afternoon and evening sun will affect your living spaces. A west-facing home can receive beautiful natural light later in the day, creating bright interiors and attractive sunset views. But in some climates, strong afternoon sunlight can also increase indoor temperatures, particularly through large west-facing windows. The good news is that this can be managed through smart design. Exterior shading, overhangs, blinds, insulated windows, suitable glass, and good ventilation can significantly improve comfort and energy efficiency. There's also an important global consideration. In the Northern Hemisphere, the sun generally travels through the southern part of the sky, while in the Southern Hemisphere, it generally travels through the northern part. This means sunlight patterns can vary depending on your hemisphere, latitude, season, and local climate. So, there is no universal rule that a west-facing home is better or worse. Instead, look at the complete design, window placement, room orientation, shading, insulation, ventilation, and your region's climate. A well-designed west-facing home can be comfortable, bright, energy efficient, and visually appealing. The key is simple: don't judge a home only by its direction. Understand how the sun interacts with its design. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.